Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular ice makers, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver refreshing ice quickly, but which one truly stands out? In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and design to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to pricing, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable ice maker. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $199, which may be justified by its additional features and capabilities. However, for those on a tight budget, the HiCOZY offers excellent value without compromising on performance. One of the standout features of the HiCOZY Ice Maker is its impressive ability to produce ice in just 6 minutes, allowing you to enjoy chilled beverages in no time. The Electactic Ice Maker, while efficient, does not specify its ice production speed, which could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize quick ice availability. The HiCOZY's rapid ice production is a significant advantage for parties and gatherings. The HiCOZY Ice Maker is designed with portability in mind, featuring a convenient handle that makes it easy to transport, whether you're heading to a camping trip or a home bar. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker, while still manageable, lacks the same level of portability. If you're looking for an ice maker that you can easily move around, the HiCOZY is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and Electactic Ice Makers have their strengths. The HiCOZY stands out for its affordability, rapid ice production, and portability, making it an excellent choice for casual users. Meanwhile, the Electactic may offer advanced features that justify its higher price for those who need them. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.